limited nga yung ano nun, eh, 'di ba, yung social ano natin. So that's why nagkaroon ng online training. And then, yun, we conduct po mga, especially mga mandatory trainings that could help the cooperative members kung ano po yung nire-require ng CDA under the RA 9520. And we also conduct yung mga recommended trainings. And other trainings that we feel that kahit hindi siya required or compliant, we feel that essential sa growth, no, ng, bawat cooperative at yung mga members. Especially mga members, we sa DATS, so, ito alam din ni Coach Vic na we know that when we build the members or the people, eventually magbi-building yung negosyo kasi it's the people who build the businesses, especially
Yes.
sa co-op. So kaya nga po ang DATS Training Consultancy, we provide training sa mga oo. And other organizations din 'no, pati mga small business owners. May mga training po kami do'n kasi, ako po ay isa product din ng mga training.